We have a problem in the garden. Let's go and fix it. Welcome back to the Hibiscus Ravine Homestead. Today we are updating you guys on the pak choi. We started to see some leaf damage, some from slugs because I haven't put in slug bait, and some, if you guys can see that, caterpillars. So we live in St. Lucia where there is all sorts of stuff. We get, now it's rainy season and plants are getting wet, and we're just finding a lot of problems in the garden. We're going to spray them with our homemade neem oil. We are trying to make sure that our harvest is plentiful. So as you see this big caterpillar right here, just smush it and remove it, because we are spraying neem oil, which should help with reducing the numbers. And that's it. That should keep them at bay until like for a week. Yeah, and then I do that again. So in this we have neem oil, water, and a little bit of soap, and that's all. That's all we put on our plants. There are other mixtures, but as time goes on you'll see them. Don't forget to like this video and share it if it helped you. Comment down below what zone you are, which country you're watching us from. Alright, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.